Sir, can you
Sir, can I
solve
do the
one?
G?
Sorry.
Sir, F. Jashmita.
Yeah. Tell me, Jashmita.
Sir, can you solve one?
Yeah, who is speaking?
His voice is breaking.
Sir, he is saying you to solve one question.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll take a separate example and I'll explain.
Yes, sir. For the reference for the example.
Yeah, I'm explaining. See once again the last class procedure. Some any number 38 plus some 55. Okay. Here instead of adding 38, I'll add 40 because it is easy. 55 plus 40 is 95. Because I have added 2 extra, that's why I'll remove 2 from the answer. 55 plus 40 is 95. If you remove the 2,
93.
93. That is the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
Try to
can you
solve
scroll down?
this one.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Right.
Sir, all the questions done.
Yeah. All of you all do all the questions.
Sir, I have done.
C is the remaining. C is remaining.
Sir, I
Yeah,
asked you first.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Right. Done. Complete all the questions.
Done, sir. Long back done.
Sir, done already. Sir, already completed the question.
Okay. All of you. All the
Yes,
questions.
sir.
Why attendance is less? Only 13, only 12 participants. Srihita, shall we start?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Say, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, 18 is close to 20, so 44 plus 20, which is equal to 64. So
Okay.
as we added 2, we need to subtract 2. 64 minus 2 is equal to 62.
Very good. 60. Yeah, one more thing I want to say here is while doing at present you are explaining the process, all the things okay, but after later with the sufficient practice, you don't need to explain to anyone, right? Simply
Yes, sir. I'm doing like that only.
one second. Simply, if you want to solve this question, mute yourself. Yeah, mute.
So Nageshji is unmuted, sir.
Okay, right. If you want to, okay, no problem. If you want to solve me this question, I'll do in this way. Simply, I'll consider this number as 42. I'll consider this number as 20. 42 and 20, 62. Simple. Okay.
Yes, sir. I also do earlier to me.
All right. Akash, B.
Okay, sir. So we can take 27 as 30. That means 44 plus 30 is equal to 74. That means we have added 3 to 27. That means we have to reduce 3 from 74. That means the answer will be 71.
71. Very good. Correct. Then Satvik.
Sir, 53 plus 30, sir.
Very good. Very good.
So the answer
Simply, you
is
have considered this number as 53 because we need 2 here. That's why.
I did 53.
You have considered this number as 30.
Yes, sir. 83.
Yes. This one we also call it as a split and merge. In the previous classes also somewhere we have mentioned this one, right? Split
Yes,
and
sir.
merge.
Yes, sir.
So we are splitting this number as a 53 and 2. We are splitting this number. We are giving that 2 to this number. Doing all that process in the mind. Simply we are telling 53 plus 30, sir. It is 83, right?
83. Yes, sir.
Very good. Shahu.
Sir, it is 32 plus 40.
Very
72.
good. Yeah, correct. As of now, we'll discuss in this way only, okay? Because this is this exercise is related to this approach, right? Later we'll see this type
Okay,
of.
sir. So we will take 37 as 40. And
Okay.
so 40 plus 35 will be 75. And 75 minus 3 we will do. It is 72.
72. Very good. Correct. Ritvik.
Sir, we will take 29 as 30. So 62 plus 30 would be 92. And 92 minus 1 would be 91.
91.
92 minus 1 would be 91.
Okay. Good. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 36 we can take as 40. 37 also we can take as 40. 40 plus 40 equals to 80. 80 minus 4, 80 minus 3 equals to 73.
Yeah, here 4 extra, taken 4 extra, and here taken 3
Yes.
extra. Total 7 extra. So in 80, you are removing that 7. It will be 73. All right. Jaya.
We can take the both 19s as 20 and 20.
Okay.
That 20 plus 20 will get 40. Minus 2, 38.
38. Because you have taken 2 extra. Overall 2 extra. That's why I'm reducing. Okay. Pallav.
So we can take 28 and 29 as 30 and then cancel 3 from 30, sir. Then we will get 27.
Yeah, both considered as 30 and 30, 16. Because here 2 extra and 1 extra, total 3 extra. So that will be 57. Very good. So I think all of you got this approach.
Yes, sir.
Going for next exercise. Ready to give the names. Just see the question and then give. Okay. Write only once. Yeah, from where we need to start? It's D. Srihita, right?
Sir, H. Akash.
Sir, F. Jashmita.
I'm just watching in the order. D, the order you have given response in chat box. D. Srihita and E. Ritvik. No need to write repeatedly names. Ritvik. H. Akash. F. Jasmita.
So can you a little bit scroll up?
Sorry.
So can you just scroll up?
Why? Nothing is there.
Okay, sir. I was thinking that I was also right there.
H. Navyasri already over. C. C, is it Satvik?
Yes, sir. By mistake, I wrote some Satvik.
Okay. F. Pallav. Jasmita already taken. F. Rishit. F. Navya. F is already over. E. E already over. Shahu. C. Okay. A. Navya. A already over. B. Pallav. That's all. Right. Okay then. Do all the questions first.
So the same technique, no, sir?
Yeah, same technique one.
Okay.
With the same sutra.
Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, do all of you.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Yeah. Okay then. Start Navya. Start your question.
Sir, so here I did 44 minus 1, which is 43.
You are moving to the previous
Hello,
by the
sir.
deficiency. By the deficiency.
Uh,
So here we are doing using Sankalana, Vyavakalana by the addition and by the subtraction.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, Navya. 1 second. Explain B, Pallav.
Yes, sir. First, we can take 38 as 40. 33 plus 40 gives 73. We are
Okay.
taking 2 extra here, so we can subtract 73 minus 2, 71.
71. Got this method, Navya? Understood this one? B?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the number nearest to base, make it base. Okay. How much you have taken extra,
Yes, sir.
you can remove that from the answer.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, explain. Sorry, A.
So first, 39 is close to 40, so it's plus
Yeah.
1. Then we subtract 1 from 44, so which is
No. Wait. So actually we have to add 39 to 44, right?
yes, sir.
Instead of adding 39, I'll add 40. 40 and 44 sum.
40 and 44 is 84. Sir.
84. Because I have taken 1 extra here. Instead of 39, I have taken 40 now. So because I have taken 1 extra,
okay.
I'll reduce that 1 from the answer. 84 minus 1 will be
83, sir.
83. So you, the method you are telling is also correct, but in this context, we are discussing this approach. According to this sutra, this is the process. Then Satvik.
Yes, sir. In this, we take 48 as 50. We do 50 plus 35, that is equal to 85. Minus 2, then the answer will be 83.
83, very good. Correct. Srihita.
Yes, sir. So 27 plus 34. So 27 is near to 30. 30 plus 34 is equal to 64. 64 minus 3 is equal to 61.
61, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ritvik.
Sir, 28 is closest to 30. So 28 plus 2 would be 30. 33 plus 30 would be 63. Because we added 28 plus 2 as 30. So we can subtract 63 minus 2, which would be 61.
Which gives 61, correct. Then Jasmita.
9 plus 73. 9 is closest to 10. So 10 plus 73, which is equals to 83. 83 minus 1, 82.
82, very good, correct. Then Jaya.
We can take 18 and 19 as 20, and 20 plus 20, 40. 40, 37.
37, right. So this number considered as 20 and this number also considered as 20, 20, 20, 40. Because here 2 extra, 1 extra, total 3 extra. That's why we reduce that 3. Then Akash.
Sir, as 26 and 27 both are nearest to 30, so we can take it then 30 plus 30, which is 60. So we have so we can reduce the number of added to them. That means 4 plus 3, that is 7. So the answer will be 53.
Okay, right. So you feel this one is easy or this one is easy? Let us see. I'm considering this number as 30. 26 plus 30, 56. Because 3 extra, I'll reduce that 3. So how much?
53. Yes, sir. Even I was thinking through like that, but how Zoya told, so I was just a little bit confused. That's why I told with that method.
Okay, right. Because this is 18 and 19, very closest to, very nearest to the base, so that's why it is okay. But here it is better considering this one. 27 consider as 30. 26 plus 30, 56. Then subtract 3, 53.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I'll use.
No
I'll try
issue,
to
no
use
problem. You can do any method actually. And in Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam, till now we have discussed the additions only, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to the subtractions. Before going to subtractions, let me explain you the concept. Suppose in the previous case, some 43 plus 9. So what we have done?
43 plus 10 minus 1.
Yeah,
Yes,
if it is
sir.
43, if it is 43, simply we have added 10. We have added 10. Somewhere it will be 9. Actually, we need to add 9 only, but we have added 10. We move on to the 53. Okay, and we are coming back one number. We are coming back one number. So that's why this is Sankalana and then Vyavakalana. Okay, the answer will be here 42. One extra taken, that's why one reduced.
Sir,
So here-
subtraction will come after we should add, no, sir?
Yes. Subtraction, see that one also once. Somewhere it is like a number 75 minus 9. Suppose if it is 75 minus 9.
We can take
So here-
75 minus 10
instead
plus
of
1.
subtracting 9, will subtract 10.
10.
If we
65,
subtract 10,
And
it
then
will
we
be
add 1.
65 plus 1. 65 plus 1.
75 plus minus 10 will be
67.
65.
so
Plus
instead
1.
of 9 we have subtracted 10, means we have subtracted one extra, right?
Plus
Yes,
1, sir.
sir.
We have to give back to that
66.
number. We have to give back that number. So
66.
some persons may confuse here. So why to add, sir? This is actually subtraction. Because we have already subtracted one extra, I am giving back that one to the number. That's all. That is 66. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Yes,
have any
sir.
doubt? Just ask.
No, sir.
See. So somewhere it is 75. Actually, we need to subtract 9, but I am subtracting 10. So somewhere it is 65. So if this will be 9. Sorry, this length is of 9. We need to subtract 10 only now. Sorry, 9 only now. But we have subtracted 10. That's why I'm coming back. So see, when on the number line, when we are moving to the left to right, we have to consider it as positive means increasing order. When we are moving from right to left, we have to consider it as negative means decreasing. All of you, is it clear? Respond. If you are moving
Yes, sir.
left to right, consider as increasing or plus. If you are moving from right to left, consider as decreasing or minus. So here, first we have we moved 10 positions, later coming back 1 position. Here we are moving 10 positions, but later we are coming back. Coming back means when we are going positive, we have to come back means negative. We have to do minus. Here, when we are going on the negative side means we have to add that 1 to the number back again. So chat box. No doubt. Okay. Right. I hope all of you clear with this method. Let's see how many of you have understood or not understood. Then give the names. Give the names.
So first I gave sir in first.
I'll start from C. Satvik. Okay, C. Satvik. D. Pallav.
Sir? Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, once can you again explain that, sir?
Wait a second.
Sir, F. Jashmita.
Yeah, Jashmita, tell me. Jashmita, tell me. What is your doubt?
Sir, F bit I took.
F in the order. I'll see. Okay, I'll see in the order. After E, pick Jashmita F. I Akash or L Akash?
Sir, L, not I.
Okay. Who is this DK? Aha, okay. I don't know. Shreyasi. Okay. I'll explain. No problem.
Yes.
L Akash.
Sir, J. Shrihita.
J. Shrihita. I'll come to you. Navya, your number is I or L? I. Okay. A. Joya. Joya shifted to A from G. F. Srihita. Jasmita already over. K. Shahu. J. Srihita. A already over. Only B is remaining. Sorry, G is also remaining. Nobody given names to G and B. G and B remaining. H. Okay. H. Siddharth. Two more questions. Two more questions are there. Anybody can give the names other than these people. G. Ashrita. What Ashrita? You'll give names only if remaining. Remaining.
Sir, I gave for A, sir.
A. Joya already.
Mistakenly, I didn't see that. So
Okay.
Name for B, sir.
Who?
Rishit, sir.
There is no name.
It is there in the chat, sir.
Yes, sir. Rishit wrote B, Rishit.
B.
In the chat, Rishit told he wanted to do B.
Right. After H, Siddhartha. Okay, Rishit. All of you do all the questions first.
Sir, all questions done, sir. I was
So
doing.
done. So done.
All done, sir.
Let other people also do. Mishra, please respond.
That's what Mishra
Ayush
just
Mishra.
asked.
Ayush Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Listening to the class?
Yes, sir. I'm writing.
Okay, okay. Where you have to give your name. Rohan, why you are not giving name today? Rohan,
मुझे बताना बाद में क्या हुआ?
Rohan,
तेरे को आवाज कम कर ले.
So Akash is unmuted, sir. Actually.
Sorry, sir.
Rohan, are you there?
Sir, he is writing in the chat.
Yeah, you can speak. Unmute yourself. You are in mute condition only. But why we are unable to listen your voice? Any problem? Okay. Maybe technical problem, right? Okay, right. Yeah, we'll start with Joya.
So we can make 19 as 20 and 44 minus 20 will get us 24
Yes.
and 24 plus 1 will get 25
Yeah, why it is +1?
because we subtracted one extra one.
Okay.
So we have to add one.
Yeah, we are giving back. Just we are giving back that, right? Okay, see, 44 minus 19 actually. 44 minus, I'm considering 20 minus 1, right? Is it same? Okay. So 44 minus 20. So minus into minus?
Plus.
Minus into minus?
Plus.
Plus 1. So we are doing this
Yes,
one
sir.
first. Later we are adding this one. Now clear?
Yes. Yes,
Simply,
sir.
this is the processor only. We are doing that processor as a memory tip. Okay, right. 44 minus 20, it will be 24 plus 1, 25. Simple. Then Ritvik.
Sir, it's actually Rishit, not Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
He is Rishit. One second. Rishit. Rishit is okay. Ritvik is not there.
Sir, E Ritvik.
Okay, okay. Sorry. I have written wrongly. Rishit. Sorry, Rishit.
Yes, sir.
D. Proceed.
Sir, 66 minus 9, which
Minus
is
9.
57.
Hello.
Sir?
Rishit is speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed.
Sir, 66 minus 9, which is 57.
Why only 9?
Sir, because it makes it 20, sir.
So it is better to subtract 30, right? Instead of subtracting 29, we'll subtract 30. That will be easy, no? 66 minus 30?
65 minus 30, sir.
66 minus 30?
66 minus 30, 36. Then minus 1 for like
36, not minus 1. We are giving back because we have subtracted 1 extra. We will give back that one.
Yes, sir.
37, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One message was actually in unmute. Who, Ritvik? Okay. Rishit, see, what you are doing is 65 minus 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So your thinking is okay, but this is not actually 65. Because we are subtracting 1 extra here, we have to
Yes,
take
sir.
1 extra here.
Sir, I just got confused. It should be 67, sir.
Yes, sir. Your idea is correct. 67 minus 30 will give direct answer as 37. Okay. While adding, that is okay, because we are taking this number 1 extra, means we have to reduce this one, because we are going to do the sum. Okay, because it is difference minus. Okay, Satvik.
Yes, sir. 88 minus 50 is equal to 38. We should add 1, so the answer will be 39.
39, very good. Pallav.
Yes, sir. 55, we can take 9 as 10. So 55 minus 10 equal to 45. We are adding 1. So we have to subtract minus 1. Then 64.
50, sorry. How much?
64, sir.
64. From 55, you are subtracting 10. Wait. Remaining persons. Akash, wait. Pallav.
46, sir.
Very good. Okay. $46. Okay. 55 minus 10, 45, and we are giving back. You can use this type of terminology instead of doing plus minus. Instead of using plus minus, we are taking or we are giving. Taking means minus, giving means plus. We are giving that 1 back. Ritvik.
Sir, we can take 28 as 30. 52 minus 30 equals to 22. 22 because we took 28 as 30. 22 plus 2 would be 24.
24. Correct. Very good. You are giving back that 2 back again. Jashmita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 72 minus 50, 72 minus 48 equals to 72 minus 50 plus 2. 72 minus 50 equals to 22. 22 plus 2 equals to 24.
24. Correct. Yeah. Ashrita.
Sir,
Proceed.
sir, we make 38 as 40. And we subtract it from 66. That becomes 26.
Okay.
Plus 2, because we have added 38 with 2. So the answer is 28.
28. Okay. Siddharth.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, first we have to make 51 into 60, sir. 58 into 60.
Okay.
And we have to subtract 81 minus 60. It will become 21.
21. Okay.
And we have to add 2, sir.
How much?
23, sir.
23 is the answer. Correct. Then Navya. Navya. What is happening, Navya? Mute, unmute.
Yes, sir. Hello, am I audible, sir? Okay, sir. So we have to do 83 minus 40 minus 4. Hello, sir.
Your voice is not clear, Navya.
Sir, may I leave and come back again because I can't hear anything.
Okay. Carry on. Meanwhile we'll do JKL. Who is this one? Srihita.
Yes, sir, me only.
Hmm.
Sir, 90 minus 66, where 66 is close to 70. So 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. 20, so as we had subtracted 4, so we need to add 4. 20 plus 4, 24.
20?
24.
Very good, correct. So see here, 90 minus 16 minus 6 also we can do. Okay. 90 minus 6, sorry, 60.
30, sir.
30. 30 minus 6.
24.
24. So because we are doing using that method Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam, we are subtracting and we are giving back again. So that's why we are explaining in this way. So we can do in many ways. Any question we can do in many ways. Finally, you are the person who have to decide the method. Shahu?
Sir, 55 minus, we will make 27 into 30.
Okay.
55 minus 30 is 25. And we will add 3, which is 28.
Right, 28. Very good. Then Akash?
Yes, sir. So we can take 57 as 60 minus 3. So that means 60 minus 60 will be 0. And according to the rule, minus minus plus. So that means 0 plus 3 will be 3.
Yeah. Okay, correct.
But sir, this one we can do directly. It is very short one.
Yes,
sir. So, but also we are using like doing sutra. That's why I told in the detailed one.
Yes, correct. Using this sutra, this is the way. That is okay. Then see simply 60 and 57. 3 more positions we need to move that backwards. Okay, right.
Sir, after this, more questions are there.
Many more questions are there, but not based on this sutra. This sutra is over now. Okay, Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam is with Navya.
Yes, sir, I'm back, sir. So first we have to take 36. And we do 36. Like we take 36 and round it to 40. So, and then we do 83 minus 40 plus. 83 minus 40 minus 4, sir.
Yeah, 83 minus 40 is how much?
83 minus 40 will be 43, sir. Then we have to do plus 4, sir.
Yeah,
so 43 plus 4, which is equal to 47, sir.
Okay, why plus 4 here?
Because when we do minus into minus, it will become plus, sir.
That is okay. In our terminology, you are telling in a mathematical terminology, we are in Vedic maths terminology. We have taken 4 extra. That's why we are subtracted 4 extra. We are giving back 4. That's okay. Answer is 47. Correct. So all of you clear with this method, I think.
Yes, sir. Super clear.
Yes, sir. So easy.
Yeah, we are going to the next, not sutra, next type of questions. Another type of questions. We can call it as a multiplications also. Okay. So here the heading.
Sir, what is the name of the sutra?
We'll see the sutra name later. First, read this one.
Doubling or multiplication by 2.
Both are same or different?
Yes, sir.
Both are same.
Same. Doubling or multiplication by 2. So any number, suppose if it is a 35 or 36 into 2. what we can do? Just tell me.
35, 36 plus 36.
30 into 2, 5 into 2.
Sir,
6
I do
into
Not in
30 into
mathematical
6
way.
into
Using just give the
Sir.
no need to give the answer. Just give the idea.
Sir,
Not in a
I'll do,
mathematical way.
sir, I'll do 36 plus
First we can do 30 into 2 and then 6 into 2 and we can
36
add them.
plus 36.
Ah,
Sir,
from the
I'm saying,
beginning,
sir.
from the
Sir, we
beginning.
can do like 36 plus 36.
Very good. That is the way here.
So that's what
that is
I do,
okay.
sir.
As of
Sir.
now, wait. As of now, we have we discussed this one, multiplication?
No, sir.
No, sir, not
No,
in the
No,
total.
sir.
Now I am asking in what way we can do this means. So you should not think with addition, sorry, with multiplication, because that is not covered yet. Okay, actually, how many mathematical operators are there? Addition,
Subtraction, multiplication,
Multiplication,
division,
then division.
Square root, cube, and cube
Cube,
root.
square,
Cube root.
Basic mathematical operators are these four only.
4.
Right? Basic mathematical operators are these four only. If you ask me how many mathematical operators are there, but I will not say all these four. I will say only one. Only one mathematical operator is there. That is addition. Sir, how can we say this is addition, sir? Simply see any number 23 and 42. It is addition. Addition is okay. Some 42 minus 23. If anybody asks you 42 minus 23. So we are not telling here. We are not discussing here minus about the subtraction. We can explain this one also with the additions only. So I'll explain in this way. 1 second. Sorry. How much we have to add to 23? How much we have to add to 23 to get 42? Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but subtraction. How much we need to add to 23 to get 42? We have to think in that way. Means minus becomes plus or not? Subtraction becomes plus or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it is okay. Next, multiplication. When you coming to multiplication, any number, some 15 or any number into 6. If this is the case, what does it mean?
15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15
we
plus
have to add 15 6 times, or we have to add 6
15 times.
15 times. Both are same. So nothing but multiplication, nothing but multiple times of addition or repeated addition. Yes or no?
Yes. Sir.
Multiple times of
Yes,
addition
sir.
or repeated addition. So then means multiplication also becomes addition or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And later it is division. Division nothing but as we told here, multiple
Repeated
times of addition or
subtraction.
repeated addition. Yeah, we can say here repeated subtraction or repeated subtraction. Suppose any number 30 divided by, if it is 5, means we have to subtract that 5 continuously.
30 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 until we get 0.
So until we get 0 or until we get a number less than 5.
Sir, and then we should count how many number 5s are there.
Yeah, how many 5s are there? That will be the quotient, and the remainder is the remaining number is the remainder. Okay.
Yes.
Means by just by learning plus it is enough to learn all the remaining mathematical operators. But every time with the for multiplication also, for division also, if you are doing with the plus only, it may take some time extra. But actually, this is the way. This is the truth, right?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Right. Here, for doubling, it is okay. Addition is okay, right? I think 36 instead of multiplying by 2 will do 36 plus
36 plus 36.
So to do, how to do 36, sir, means
40 plus 40 minus 8.
Yes, there are many ways. There are actually many ways. Wait. Number one, tell me in how many ways we can do 36 plus 36.
Sir, in Sankalana
40 plus 40 minus 8.
Yeah, somebody is telling 40 plus 40 minus 8. One more method.
There we can add first 30 plus 30 and then 12.
Yeah, split and merge, right? We are splitting this number as 30 and 6. This number also as 30 and 6. And later we are adding 30, 30 first, later 6 and 6. Okay, that is another way. Yeah, any other way?
32 plus 38.
No.
Sorry,
No.
32.
Don't go to that number. Again, instead of doing 36 and 36, if you do 32 and 38, then it will be the same again. Always,
Sir, can I say one?
Always think of bases.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, we should take from 36, we should take out 4 and we should add it to 36 or one more 36.
Sir, that is only what I said, sir.
32 plus 40, sir. 40. 32 plus 40.
30 becomes?
So 30.
Okay, we are giving 4 to this number such that it will be 40.
Yes,
and
sir.
the
40
remaining here is
32.
Total?
72, sir.
Okay, right. And any other ways?
Sir, can I say one?
Yeah.
Sir, 72. Sir,
Sir,
70.
40 plus 36 minus 4.
36 plus 36. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 40 plus 36 minus 4.
40. Okay. You are considering this number as 40.
Yes,
so
sir.
40 and 36, it will be?
Minus 40.
76. Sir. So we have considered 4 extra. That's why we'll subtract that 4. So it will be 72. Correct. Any other ways?
So 40 plus 30
Sir,
plus.
I know, sir.
Yeah.
So 40 plus 30 plus 2.
That will again become 40 plus 32.
This one only, right? Okay. 40 plus 32. It will be the same. Okay. These many ways are there, and there may be many more ways. There may be many more ways. And,
Sir, there is one
20
more
plus-
way, sir.
So
That's
50
what I'm
plus
telling
20 plus 2.
Sorry?
50 plus 10 plus 12.
How to get that? That will also again be 40 plus 32.
Think of nearest to base. Near to base. Nearest base is 40.
Sir, we can also do like 9 into 8, no?
We have not covered multiplications as of now. That's okay. You can do this exercise with whatever method you want, with whatever way you can. Give your names. C is ready with Satvik. Satvik is ready with C.
Sir, I didn't understand it clearly. Can you say it once more?
C Satvik, F Jasmita, E Ritvik.
Sir, by mistakenly in the chat I have written L. Actually, I want D.
Sir, I didn't understand it clearly. Can you explain it again?
The method.
Yes, sir.
Who is speaking?
Rishit, sir.
Not understood. Your name.
Sir, Rishit Chitsim, sir. Rishit.
Rishit. Wait, all the remaining persons. Rishit, speak again.
Sir, I'm saying that I didn't understand the procedure clearly, sir.
You have not understand the method, right? Method.
Yes, sir. Clearly.
Okay. Okay. I'll explain you again. Just wait. E Ritvik. D Srihita.
Sir, D Akash.
Joya already over C. D Pallav. D already over. I Akash.
Yes, sir, I Akash.
J. Shahu.
So can we do this by any method?
Sir, I want
You
case
can
that
do
what
it
my
by
chat box.
any method of your choice.
Sir, H. Pallav.
It's Pallav.
Sir, D. Shreyasi.
D already over, right? K. Ashrita.
Sir, B.
L.
B, sir.
Ayush. D is
Sir,
all.
J is written again.
Sir, I'm saying B, sir. B for bat.
B is not there. B missed somewhere.
No, sir, B is there.
B is not given. Write your name in the chat box. Akash. Okay. By mistake, you are. L. Ayush up to that is okay. Shreyasi. Okay. B. One more question. A.
Sir, even J, sir, J also is there. A,
G also.
G. Not J. G.
say J is also there, sir, at the right side, 29.
Array, but that's same.
Yeah,
I
but
have
that
to
is
give
a
given already.
repetition.
A.
Okay.
Joya. And one last question, that is G. G. If you are not giving, I'll give the name. Rohan is a problem. Now, PS3, why don't you try? 36 already okay, that is explained. Huh? That's fine. Okay, no problem. You can explain again. Navya, you take 36. Sorry, you take G.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
56 is explained, not 36.
Which number I have?
Sir, 56 was explained, not 36.
No, sir, explain 36 only.
So 36 only you explain, sir.
Okay. You can do all these questions. Ritvik, you can explain one. Okay, I'll explain one again. Okay.
Sir, J is already done, sir, by Sahu.
Okay. Leave this one. No. I'm explaining again. Remaining persons whoever understood this method, you can proceed with your methods. Some 50.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to disturb. Sir, should we also write the procedure or direct answer?
No need to write the procedure anywhere. For you can write. For yourself, you can write the procedure. Because when you see the next time somewhere after some time, you should understand, right?
Yes, sir. Even I have also saved your recording.
For yourself, you can write the procedure, and from the next question onward, no need to write the procedure. Okay, see. Ritvik, see here. 50 instead of multiplying by 2, simply we are adding.
Sir, can you take it 51 into 51?
51 and 51 plus.
Excuse me, sir.
No, sir, 51 into 51.
Ritvik.
Sir, 51 square.
I didn't had any doubt, sir. Because one was empty, I thought you would explain one. That's why I put it in chat.
Okay. Because sufficient persons are there. Okay, no issue. Ritvik, other than Ritvik, somebody is speaking. 51 into 51. We'll see that later. See, just now we are entering into multiplications, right?
Yeah.
After additions and subtractions, just now we are entering into multiplications. Directly, why we can go to that one. We'll see everything. Not only 51 into 51. We'll see a 4-digit number into 4-digit number also direct in one step answers. Not only 4-digit, 5-digit, any number. Okay, we'll start with the Joya.
So we can take it, split it as 20 plus 4 and 20 plus 4. And then 20 plus 20, 40. And 4 plus 4, 8. 40 plus 8, 48.
Together 48. Very good. Shreyasi, explain B.
Yes, sir. Sir, 41 plus 41, it could be like first 40 plus 40 and then 1 we can make it as 2. It will be 40. I mean 80, 82.
82. Very good. Satvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, 14 plus 14 we can take it we can take it as 14 plus 10 plus 4, sir. So the answer will be 28.
28. Very good. So see, what we are doing here is 14. We are splitting into 10 and 4. We are doubling this number, getting 20. We are doubling this number, getting 8. Again, we are merging. Everywhere, almost in every case, we are doing the split and then merge.
Yes, sir.
And then merging. Split and merge process. Yeah, Srihita.
Yes, sir. Sir, 45 plus 45. As 45 is near to 50, 50 plus 50, which is equal to 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90.
Okay, with minus you dealt with minus. Okay, right. Because it is 5, we can do plus or we can do minus also. Because it is not nearer to 40 and we're not nearer to, it is at equal distance from 40 and 50. Okay. Considering this number as 50, 50 plus 50 is 100, subtracting 10, 90. Ritvik?
So we can take it as 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. 10.
Yeah.
So this is also splitting and merging.
Yeah, Ritvik, explain.
Would be 20 plus 20 plus 10, which would be 50. Sorry, 30.
20 plus 10.
Yes, sir. 20 plus 10, which would be 30.
Explain from the beginning, from the starting. How to double this number?
Sir, we can take it as 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5, which would be 20 plus 10, which would be 30.
30, correct. Very good. Right. Jashmita?
Yes, 25 multiplied by 2 equals to 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 we can take as 20 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5. 20 plus 20 equals to 40. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 40 plus 10 equals to 50.
Very good. So you may think these are very easy, but these ideas will be helpful in difficult cases. Okay, Navya.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, Satvik.
So we have to.
This exercise will end up the session. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So what I did was I took 30 and 6. I just separated them. Then I did 30 into 2 and 6 into 2, and then I added the products.
Sir, her voice is not clear for me, sir.
Voice is not clear. Navya, explain again.
Okay, sir. So what I did
Maybe some network.
was I as 30 and 6. I did 30.
30 double.
Her voice is breaking, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hope this is the method.
Shall I say?
Okay, Pallav, proceed.
Sir, 30 plus minus 66, sir. Then we will get 54.
30 minus 3. Considered 30 minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, double to this one, 16.
Minus 6.
This one, 6. Yeah, 54. Very good. Akash?
Yes, sir. So, sir, we can take it as 10 plus 8. So that means 10 plus 10, we have to find the double. So that means 10 plus 10 is 20 and 80 plus 8 is 16. So that means the answer will be 36.
correct. Shahu?
So 30 minus 1 plus 30 minus 1, which is 60 minus 2, which is 58.
Yeah, this double is 60 and this one double is 2 and the difference is 58. Very good. Akash?
Sir, if we do by normal method, 20 plus 20 plus 8, plus 18, then also it is coming same.
The same answer. 20 and 8. Sorry, 20 and 9. 20 double
Yes.
is 40. 9 double is 18. 40 and 18 is also
58.
giving the same. 58. Yeah, Akash?
Sir, it's not Akash, it's Ashrita.
Sorry?
Sir, this one was Ashrita.
Ashrita, sir. Ashrita.
Sir,
Is Ashrita. Okay, sorry. Ashrita, proceed.
sir, we will add 1 to 34, which becomes 35. 35 plus 35 is equals to 75.
No. I think it is better to take 30. Okay, 35 plus 35 is not
70. It's 70, sir, not 75.
Sir,
70.
35 plus 35 minus 4 we can do.
Yes, sir.
5 minus 4.
Sorry, 35 plus 35 minus 2.
Minus 2, sir.
Correct. That will be 68, right?
68, sir.
Or we can take this number as 30 and 4. 30 double is 60. 4 double is 8. Sum is 68. I think it is Ayush Mishra, right?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
So we can do this as 40 plus 40 and 8 plus 8, which is equal to 80 plus 16, which is 96.
96, correct. Very good. Okay. So this is the way. And in the next class, we are going to see multiplication by 2, one more exercise, later multiplication by 4, multiplication by 8, and later another methods also. Okay. Right, we'll stop here.